Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a simple pillow. So first of all you have to select the rectangle tool. Just press here and select the rectangle and draw a simple rectangle like so. Maybe it's too big. Reduce it a little bit. Okay. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, or just go right click, mirror past, and put it in the back. Right click and flip normal. And then we have to connect everything. So go to the segment sewing tool and connect everything. Press A, select, rotate it a little bit, move it down, and press simulate. Okay, so now we have to add some pressure. Once again, select everything. Just go here and add some pressure. Maybe 8 is okay. It's a bit too much. Let's put it to 5. Okay. It looks cool. What you can do is go to the smooth curve tool and put the edges to 3. Maybe it's too much, but I don't know. Let's simulate. Okay, it's looking great. What you can do now is select everything, clone over, and go to particle distance and put it to 5 and add some shrinkage wrap, maybe, and try to simulate. Okay, it's looking great. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.